If you've applied for a mortgage recently, like a regular person, not looking at portfolio products, you probably at some point dropped a minimum of 3 F-bombs. Okay? The F word had to come into the equation at some point, and it wasn't fiduciary.
I was going to say, are we talking fiduciary again?
No, and because they make you fill in so many boxes, and the paperwork just seems to go on and on and on. And the reason why is because, as we said, most mortgages get sold. So what they do is they'll take, let's just say, 10,000 mortgages. They put them in a package, okay? And they sell them all up. Well, the person who buys that package, they don't know any of the people in that. They don't know the names. They don't know what all they are relying on is what is in front of them on the piece of paper. Yep. So everyone is doing CYA on paper like crazy. That's what they'll ask you for. What did this check pay for? And they'll ask you 3 times for it.
Yeah.
Because they got to cover their rear ends. With a portfolio loan, it's like it used to be. If I'm getting it wrong.
To an extent, yes.
It's sort of like when you used to go into a bank and it was common sense.